Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. This Linux tip explains how to locate files based on several different criteria. So one of the obvious ways is to find a file by name. So if I run a command like this, I'm looking for a file called loop. And there I can see I have one in the videos folder and one in the current file folder. So there. If I run a command like this, I'm going to get some additional information. Again, I'm looking for files called loop, but I'm listing all the details so I can see the permissions and the owner and when the files were last updated and so forth. Now, if I look at a command like this, what I'm wanting is to find files that are type file and have the file name or the file extension of .txt. So I'll run that command and you can see I have a number of them. Robots.txt, loop.txt, fortune.txt, and the shared.txt file. Now if I use a command like this, I'm going to find large files, basically files that are larger than 9 megabytes, and I'm only going to look at the last two files in the list because I don't want to overwhelm my screen here. So run that command and you can see it's found a number of, or a number, we only see two of them, but it's found a number of these files. The find command will generate errors if you search for files in areas where you don't have proper permission to list the files, but I'm working in my home directory, so everything's going to be fine. Well, that is your Linux tip for the find command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.